Hey guys, today's video is going to be really exciting because today we are going to talk about how to deal with those people who are really fast in their work or who like to work till late or stretch over the weekends to finish something, or how to be in that team which estimates really low for a good amount of work and then work hard to finish and meet the deadline. The good part of today's video is not everything is for you to implement. Some things are there for your management or for your team or for that overworking colleague. So, whenever you feel appropriate, share this video with your colleagues, with your team, with your management. You never know what will trigger the change. So, let's begin. First problem, when your colleague stretches too much and you are also expected to do so. Remember, it's not a problem with your colleague or even you. Different people have different work setups, and that's the reason some people are more productive at the night and some people are more productive during the day. It's the problem of the management, or sometimes it's a mindset of us as well, which tells that okay, so this colleague is stretching. If I don't stretch and if I finish my work early and log off early, I might be pointed out to be working less. This might be just the mindset, or this might be the real expectation from management. So if this is real expectation, then you know what to do. Share this video with your management. And if this is really something with your mind, give it a try, guys. Next week, log off at your targeted time. If it doesn't work out, no harm. You can resume your flexible work style from the next week onwards. So give it a try. Next problem is also a little bit similar to this. When your that colleague finishes work too fast or too early, and you are also expected to do so. And as a result, you might have to go beyond your capability and work yourself out the entire time. If that's what you like to do, then all the best, no problem. But if that is making you too much worked out, or you are not able to spend time at your home, and you are feeling deprived of something, then there's something you should do. See, talking to management is an option, but that might seem a little bold step for most of you. So try this out. Try talking to other people in your team who might also be feeling pressurized. Sense the pulse, and whenever you get a chance, bring this in front of your management. That most of the team is feeling pressurized to match the speed of one particular person. Believe me, it does not eliminate the need for other people. Everybody is unique in their style and is needed in an organization. So give it a try and see if that brings the change. The last problem for today's discussion is about the teams who struggles to meet the deadline. The solution for this is a little bit tough, but it is not as bold as the other two. All you have to do is to try, undercommit, and deliver before time. Remember not to overcommit and not to over deliver, because over delivery is also a loss in some industries. Obviously, you will face some resistance from your team members, from your team management. People will ask, how you are going to take this much time for this small work? Just hang on there. Finish up your work much ahead of time. If you are able to follow this just twice, believe me guys, people are gonna follow your style. So let me know if you were able to implement this in your personal life and if it helped at all. So that's about the three problems and their solutions. Some of those are bold, I understand. But if you are not going to speak up for yourself, then who else will do? For those of you who watched till this point, thanks a lot from my side. If you have liked this video, just hit that thumbs up icon. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back next week with another exciting video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay safe. See you next time.